We have this thing called Unity Hub, which I didn't know about before I saw this on it. Unity have just released a controversial Unity Hub upgrade. You can no longer create non-cloud projects. We discuss what exactly this means and how you can work around it. So I thought, what the heck are they talking about? Unity forcing cloud projects? I'm like, what? So I had to go look this up. Unity now forcing cloud projects. So apparently there's like an online hub, which is just an online dashboard. And the dashboard allows you to create a game, right? So you start a new project. However, if you look at the screenshot, what you can't do is create a local project. It must include, it seems like there's a requirement that it must also exist on the, that's my takeaway. That's my understanding of this. So it will not remove it from the Unity Cloud dashboard. I haven't used Unity, so I have very little understanding of exactly what's going on. But according to what they're saying, so what they said is, this is from them. This is from Unity. Mike Gage, I guess, at Unity made the following statement about the change. So our users have told us many times that they want tons of visibility into what data Unity can collect and how we can use it. So we created the new data framework that launched in the latest beta. This framework gives you control, and the settings for it are in the dashboard, so you can control all your project data and service data in one place. This requires a cloud ID to be associated with the project, which is why this is auto-connected. Nothing is being stored online or anything. It's simply there so you have control over your project settings. Probably to store training data for AI, yeah. So I genuinely don't fully understand this. I did go and grab the Unity Hub link. I have it here. And I guess this is a, yeah, sure, whatever. This is what the Unity Hub website says. It tells me nothing about what's going on. Typical homogenous website that tells you nothing and is just bloating the internet. I wonder how, you know what? Just out of curiosity, how much does this load? So we're getting what, like something like eight shareware versions of Dooms, maybe a bit more, for what? Nothing. Something like that. My math might be off on that. Anyways, so I just wanted to bring it up because I know some of you do use Unity.